Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about the Spanish alphabets. English and Spanish language have the similar alphabets, we know that. But the difference is that they are pronounced differently. Like English A, the A in English and A in Spanish are pronounced differently. We're going to look over that. But at the same time, there are a lot of alphabets. They are exactly same, they sound exactly same, so we don't need to do much in that. So we're just focusing on the alphabets that are different, right? And we're going to learn how we use them. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with the letter A. The letter A is pronounced as A in Spanish. A becomes A. So it's like A in afternoon. Okay? Like A becomes A. So for Spaniards, A don't exist. Whenever they see this letter, they say it's A. So to understand it more clearly, let's imagine there is a Spaniard in front of us, and he's just pronouncing some English word, all right? But he's putting his own, influence of his own tongue. So we have the word Africa. Africa, he says Africa. He says Africa. Africa. See, Africa in English, he's saying Africa. So it becomes A for him. A becomes A. We have the word anaconda. Anaconda, he would say anaconda. Anaconda. See, anaconda in English, anaconda. Anaconda in Spanish. So A becomes A. In any case, whenever A you see, it becomes A in Spanish. So that's we need to keep in mind. Even if you see here it's Spanish, right? He would say Spanish, Spanish, Spanish. He would say like that. All right, we go with the letter E now. E is pronounced as A in Spanish, just the A. Now you know how A is pronounced. So let's take it some example. The word English. The word English, Spaniard would say it Anglish. English is my favorite language. English, English, because E is A for him. And we have euro. He would say euro. Give me some euro. Now you see euro here. It starts with E, right? EURO. So for them, E is A. So they say euro. Euro is A. We have the word emotional. Emotional would be emocional. Emocional. Just focus the front part. Say emocional. A. E becomes A. So that's something you need to keep in mind. E becomes A in Spanish. So that's pretty easy actually. Now we go with H. H is always silent. For example, the word hotel. Spaniard would say. Where is hotel? Hotel. See, H is silent. Hotel. Where is hotel? Hostel. He would say hostel. Where is my hostel? Hostel. So H is silent. Not hostel. Say hostel. We come with I. The letter I is pronounced as E in Spanish. So I becomes just like letter E in English. I'm confusing you, but we'll get it. Like I. So we have the word icon, right? Icon, I-C-O-N. Spaniard would say it icon. He would say icon. Why icon? Because I becomes E in Spanish. So he would gonna pronounce the same way. E, icon. I-C-O-N, icon. We have idol. He would say it idol. I say idol, but he say idol. Why idol? Because I is pronounced as E. Now we have the word idea. I've got an idea. He would say I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Idea. So you guys, whenever you read any story in Spanish, whenever you find I, you need to pronounce it as E. That's something you need to do it. You need to assume it. It's E. So we've got now J. Now the letter J is a bit different. J is pronounced as K in Spanish. K, just like The word khan has kh ka sound in the beginning. Ka khan ka, the same pronunciation, ka. J is ka, not j. Ka. Like we can get some example. The word joker, the Spaniard, he say cocker. Where is cocker? I love to see cocker, cocker, because j is ka, so he makes that sound of ka, cocker, j-o-k-e-r, cocker. All right, and we have the name Jasmine. In English, it's pretty famous, Jasmine. Now maybe his girlfriend is Jasmine, so he's saying, Jasmine, where are you, Jasmine? See, J becomes ka, Jasmine, ka, not Jasmine, Jasmine, ka sound. This ka in the beginning, they put it. So wherever you see J, it's not J, it's ka. So you make that sound, ka. Alright, you got this. Now we come down. Now G letter is exactly like English. We don't need to focus much in that. Like go in English, Spanish also, it's go. So that's easy. But there's an exception. After G, if comes I or E, then the pronunciation of this combination becomes ka, just like J that we just learned. Like GI, it becomes ka. GE also becomes ka. For example, the word general, right? General. Spaniard would say general. G-E and E-R-A-L. General, they say general. Ka sound. See? G-E becomes ka. And the word may be gender, right? Gender. G-E and D-E-R. Gender, he would say gender. G-E, gender. And G-I, maybe giant, I saw the giant, he would say giant, giant, ka. Again, the same sound. Now a girl, right? Girl. Everyone got a girl, so he would say curl. Where is my curl? Where is my curl? Curl, because G-I is ka. That's something we need to accept it. Different from English. Whenever you see G-I and G-E, they are ka and not G. Alright? Just like J. Now we come down here, double L. Double L is considered as a particular alphabet in Spanish. Alright? And the sound of this double L is Y always. Whenever you see double L, it's Y, not L. It's Y. Let's see some English word like yellow. We have double L there, yellow. And a Spaniard would say it yayo, yayo. I like yayo color, yayo. Maybe it's raining, they got umbrella, right? Where is umbrella? He would say umbrella. Where is umbrella? Umbrella, because double L is there again, and it's pronounced as Y. It is pronounced as Y. We need to keep it in mind. And yeah, so that is it. Let's go to other sets of alphabets. Now we got here N, and got some sign over here, right? So whenever you see this thing, you pronounce it as nyo, just like in canyon we have NYO, nyo sound, canyon, nyo. That's its sound. It's pretty easy. Example, there's a this one, it's N-I-N-O, and it means little child in Spanish. So we pronounce that as niño. Niño. See? Niño. Just you need to add that thing. Niño. And yeah, that's it. Now we've got O. O is just like O, but it's just like in Spanish we stretch it a little bit. Like this mango, we say in Spanish mango. Mango. Oh, see, you can see that O part. It's like O, mango. So just a little bit stretch it, but it's pretty same. It's exactly same. Mango. Alright. We have the letter Q. Now the letter Q sounds totally different. It's que. In Spanish we say it que. Alright. It pronounced as que. Like the letter queen. Right? Queen. a Spaniard would say it kin, because for him Q is K, so he say kin, not queen, he say kin. See, just I read here, and anything starting with K, Q would be K. Any example if you can, but yeah, you got this. After that we go with double R. Double R is pronounced as r, r, r. It's like, you know, in abracadabra, the word abra, ra, the part you make it, you know, you roll your tongue, ra. So that's what you need to make whenever you say double R. Abra, ra, cadabra, ra. So let's see the word here. I've got an example that's Perro, which means dog in Spanish. So we pronounce it as perro, perro. R. See, R. I'm rolling my tongue. It's perro, perro. So it's not like in English we say pero, right? Pero, pero. But in Spanish it's perro, perro, ro. So it's just like abra, cadabra, ra. So that is it, and it's pretty easy. After that we come with T, the letter T. In English, in Spanish, sorry, the pronunciation of T doesn't exist. Instead, we pronounce it as ta. Whenever you say T, it's ta in Spanish, ta. Now you can write it in your language. How you can write it, ta, right? Here I have written this word. It's in Hindi, and that's how we write it in Hindi, ta. While in English, I made an example like T plus A, but however you find it comfortable, you can make it up. Ta. Now you can more understand it this way. Let's get some example to understand it. So we have the word tiger, right? Tiger in English, tiger. Now my Spanish friend, he says tigre. Instead of tiger, he says it tigre, tigre, because T becomes ta in Spanish, tigre. It's like, you know, T, but it's a pretty softer one. We have tower. Yeah, tower. I can see the tower from far. So he would say tower. He don't say tower, tower. He said tower. We have telephone. Telephone. He would say it. Telephone. He would say telephone. Telephone. Ta. See, telephone. 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 He would say ta. Let's see some more. Toxic, right? Toxic gases. He would say toxic. Toxic in English, toxic in Spanish. Toxic in English, toxic. Toxic in Spanish, toxic, toc. So this is something a little tricky for the English learners, because in English we don't have this sound, the sound ta, and sometimes it becomes difficult to differentiate, but it's easy. This you know, once you just get through it. Let's get one other word. Star. We have the word star in English. Then he would say it star, 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 right? Star in English, he'd say star. See, T is becoming like ta, star, star. Where is my star? You know, or there is a star, star. So ta is the sound. Whenever you see T, you make it ta. That's something you can make it up. Alright, so after that we come with the word you. The word you in Spanish is pronounced as u. U, it's like o, you know, like a long o, like u. You pronounce that u. Like in Urdu, if you see this u in the Urdu, you can pronounce it that way, the exact u sound. Now we have a lot of dialects, right? And sometimes Urdu is pronounced as Urdu and all. So in that case, you can just understand that U has a sound of oo. That's it. Let's make it more easier with some example. The word umbrella, right? Now that Spaniard would say it actually not umbrella, he would say it umbrella. Yeah, he says it umbrella because for him U is oo, umbrella. Alright, even, and again there's double L as well that we learned earlier, we pronounce as Y, so he would say it umbrea instead. Okay, just let's focus on the U part. Umbrella, umbrella, not umbrella. It's umbrella in Spanish. Now we have united, right? United Nation. So my Spaniard friends said united, not unite. It's united, united. Ultra, ultrasound. It would be ultra, ultra. Ultrasonic wave, ultrasonic wave in English. It's ultrasonic wave. Ooh. So that is the sound that you have to understand. Use ooh. All right, ooh. Perfect. So that is it, and that was all the sets of letters that were pronounced differently. We discussed. There's nothing more. It's easy. Just you need to once go through them and use it practically. Now we come here with some of the exceptions of some of the combinations. Like here I have got one exception, that is if a word has 3 combinations, then U is silent. Word has these combinations, right? Whenever you see GUI, GUE, QUI and QUE, these combinations, then in this situation U is always silent. Alright, now you will understand what I'm trying to say. We got here the word guitar. In Spanish it's GUITARRA. Alright, now normally this word you would pronounce it as guitarra, right? You would pronounce U, guitarra. But no, the rule says that whenever GUI comes, the combination U is silent. So we make it guitarra instead. Guitarra, guitarra. Alright? You forget about you. You don't exist in this combination. It's guitarra. Yeah, the spelling remains the same. You write the same way, but you don't pronounce U. It's guitarra. Not guitarra, it's guitarra. And that means guitar in Spanish. We have another word, war. Who don't know war these days? So it's again this GUERRA. So it's not guerra, right? You would say it guerra, but no, it's guerra. Guerra. U is silent. Again, the rule says GUE. The combination makes U silent, and we've got that. We go to next, mosquito. Mosquito in Spanish is again exactly the same. Now we don't pronounce it as mosquito. No, mosquito. No, U is silent. We say instead mosquito. Just mosquito. You just forget U. Again QUI, and this is the rule says U is silent. We got because. Now because in Spanish is this. Alright, PORQUE, and you would say it porqui, right? Porqui. No, U is silent because of the same combination rule, and instead we say porque. You throw the U and you say porque. Alright, so this is pronounced as porque, not porqui. So that's one of the rule, important rule we got in Spanish. And let's see here, we got some more rules. In those combinations, U is not silent. Now this is another exception. If there is double dot on U, right? Now this rule says that, see, yeah, we got that GUI, GUE, when there are combinations, U is silent. But even if those combinations are present, but if in that case you got double dot over there, then we are going to forget that rule and U will be pronounced in that case, right? For example, the word same, shame, in English we say it this, vergüenza in Spanish, vergüenza. Okay, now here we pronounce a U because double dot is there. Vergüenza, that means same, shame. We have the word penguin, and again this is the word in Spanish, and we say it penguino. U is pronounced penguino because double dot is there. Now we got slang, that's a dude, buddy, pal, and it's like güey in Spanish, güey, right? So that is all, and yeah, you're good to go.